Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to take the slow motion on your Motorola Edge 30 Neo to take some slow motion photo video. Go to camera application, then slide on the left side here, and there you have a slow motion. So let's record, stop it, and let's take a look how it's look like. As you see, our slow motion is now ready to take it. As you see, I do it fast and there is slow. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!